Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Bose Wave Music System. So just to show you, if I turn it on now and if I go to preset 1, you can hear there is a radio station there. After we reset it, that's going to be gone. So you can either have this left on here or you can turn it off. As long as it's plugged in, you will be able to reset it. Right now it's in standby. Have a look at your remote control. There will be a button that says menu. It's just underneath alarm and time. We need to hold that down for a couple of seconds until this comes up here. And now to move around, we're going to be using the left and right arrows here, and you can see it moving there. And then to enter in to what we want to go into, you're going to press the plus on the time. So keep moving to the very right hand side, and eventually you will get something that says reset all. At the moment it's no. If we press the plus button, it goes to yes, and then it says press 2 to confirm. So we're going to go to the presets 2 and just hit 2. And there you go, reset complete. It goes off and comes back on again. Now, you will think that it hasn't reset because it's still got the correct time. That's fine. It will keep hold of its time. But check this out now. If we turn it on, you will see that no longer do we have the preset under the correct radio station there. You will see that you've lost all your radio stations. So that's it. That's how to reset your Bose Wave Music System. Thanks for watching.